Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay. I am not a crypto expert. I just want others to get ahead. And I never wanted to be a tutorial or a how-to beginners channel, but I think this is too important and at such an opportune time in the market not to make this video. But I wanted to throw together a quick guide on how to first get into crypto, an easy plan and some stepping stones where to go from here. We are now living in a time where it's almost impossible for anyone to get ahead or make any substantial money without some luck. And cryptocurrency can be that solution. I wanted to share how I first started and the plan I chose. So the first thing you're going to do is download Coinbase. It's probably the most user-friendly exchange and it offers free crypto for doing easy quizzes. Get your KYC set up and then we can go from there. I will have a referral link down below. Next, we are going to choose an amount of money you can live without. $1 where if everything goes to zero tomorrow, you will be okay and in the same position that you are now. When I first started, I chose $60 per paycheck, and every 2 weeks I threw 20% into Bitcoin and 30% into Ethereum and the remaining 50% into any random altcoin. And even if it's only $10, that's 100% okay. At least you are setting up some money towards an asset versus devaluing in a bank due to inflation. So there's your beginner plan. Now from here, you're going to study up the 4-year cycle theory. And you're going to pair that with the Wall Street cheat sheet. Those two things are a stepping stone to go down the rabbit hole for more technical analysis of crypto. This will be your first cycle, so don't bother trading, but learn how to trade so for the next cycle, when your bags are packed, you'll be ready to go. Also, don't get discouraged when you see your friends or posts about people who made 15K off one trade. This is your journey, and this is your journey to succeed. Also, I hear a lot of people, well, I don't really have any money to throw into crypto. My response always is, do you have skip the dishes on your phone? You have money for crypto. Do you buy a Monster energy drink every day before work? You have money for crypto. Do you buy a bag of chips when you're not even hungry? You have money for crypto. So my next point, while you're investing this set amount, start learning to manage your money. And maybe you could get yourself to a point where you could throw more dollars in a month. As well, you are going to learn how to manage your emotions with money. Some days you're going to look at your wallet and it's going to be up 50% and you're going to be like, whoa, and other days it will be down 80%. And this can be kind of discouraging in the beginning. Don't worry, number always goes up. Also, this is your first cycle. Set yourself a plan. My plan this cycle is to accumulate and sell near the end of 2025, depending on how the cycle goes. So make a plan and stick to it. If I did this last cycle, I would have had a pretty sizable bag. But me being cocky with trading, I almost lost everything and I was almost left with nothing. Step 2, this is one of the most important steps, but do not hold your crypto on an exchange. Hold it on an external wallet. For usability, I prefer Atomic Wallet. I find it very simple and easy to use, but there is also Metamask and Exodus. And this is good because an exchange can go down at any moment and your currency is just gone. It's nice if you live in Canada, Shakepay is an awesome way to either on-ramp or off-ramp your currency, and you can shake your phone every day at 9 p.m. and they give you free Bitcoin, so it's quite nice. And yeah, anyways, I hope you found this helpful. This is my cat Bean. She's the one that likes to be in every single video. This was the first video I actually tried to script out, and I don't know how it's gonna look or work out, but I just wanted to try. It's hard for me to take thoughts that are in my head and just verbally say them. So this was my first video I'm trying to script out. And yeah, if you liked it, like it. And if you want to see more from me, subscribe.